Hello, we are Team VSpyCode from IIT Madras, and I, on behalf of the team, will be presenting the salary prediction model that we have created. So I'll take you through our process step by step. The first step was to clean the data. So we were given three sets of data: the training data set, validation data set, and testing data set. So all three data sets were cleaned in order to process our model. So especially in the training data set, there were unwanted text like last estimated and employer provided salary in the salary estimate column. So these were all removed. And also job description was clean to avoid all the insignificant punctuations, etc. Basically the insignificant noise in the data for accurate vectorization. And competitors were also quantified instead of listing their names to use in our model, which we thought was an important metric in creating the model. So yeah, I'll take you through a flow simultaneously. So this is the training data set, training data, and yeah, this was the original data set, and this is the code that we used for cleaning. So yeah, this is the code that we used for cleaning. And we got the cleaning data. Let me run this. Yeah. So it's all good here. So as you can see, you have the job title, salary estimate without any unwanted things, and the job descriptions, which is pre-processed. Others are remaining the same, and the competitors are quantified instead of listing them. So you have the number 3 here and 3. Yes. So instead of the names, it is quantified. The same thing was done for our testing data as well. You can see here the competitors, the number is 3, and job description is without any unwanted noise. Yeah. So after that, we moved on to creating TF-IDF vectorizer. So we converted the job description text to a term frequency, inverse frequency vector. In order to convert the text given in the job description to a specific number to create our model. So as a result, an accurate score was found for each job description data to use in our model. So let me take you through a flow. So this is the TF-IDF flow. So from the clean data that we obtained, 2 copies were made, and we selected the job description we created a TF-IDF code to convert our job description into a specific number. After that, we created the deleted the job description since that was no longer required. We only needed that specific number, and final data was obtained. So let me run the flow. Success. Yeah, it's all good there. And yeah, we did the same thing to testing data as well. Let me run it here as well. So yeah, we obtained the TF-IDF for the testing data job description as well. So let me show you here. Job description. So yeah, as you can see, this is the job description TF-IDF, the numbers that you see here. So this is for the training data set, and this is for the testing data set. Okay. So now that we have all the data required to train our model, we use random forest classification method to classify the data into required salary buckets. So I'll take you through a flow here right now. So this is the training prediction flow. So yeah, we have the final data, which includes the job description, TF-IDF, everything, and we selected We selected salary estimate, job description, TF-IDF, revenue, size, industry, rating, location, competitors, and type of ownership, and we fed it into our model since we thought those were the important parameters which determine the salary. So 2 copies were created and one was used to predict our model, wherein we used the random forest classification method, and columns were renamed. The salary estimate column was renamed to predicted salary. And we received the data set with the predicted salary. So I'll show you here right now. So here we have the data set which has the predicted salary as well. So this is as you can see, this is the salary estimate which was already given in the model, and this is the predicted salary which we predicted using random forest classification method. So we did the same thing for after that we have the accuracy was measured and hyperparameters were adjusted accordingly, and we have also plotted the salary estimate and the predicted salary against average of competitors as well as average of rating. So this is the salary estimate with respect to average of competitors and average of ratings, and this is the chart for predicted data set. As you can see, as you can see here also, the accuracy is pretty high here. It's almost the same. So now that we have trained the model, the model was ready to be used in the testing data set. So let me take you through that flow. So this is a test prediction. So this is the final training, testing data set. So there's a mistake here. So this is the final testing data set, and we used that to we added a new column which would list the predicted salary, and we used our the model which we trained earlier, the random forest classification model, to predict our salary. So let me run that. There's no problem here. Coming back to the dashboard. So you can see we have predicted the salary for all the given data set, given data in the data set. And we have also created a chart where you can filter the salary with respect to the location. And the graph is made with respect to average competitors and average rating, same as before. So that's all for our model. Thank you.